Hi, this is Giancarlo Franzvea from Lympha System Solution for the RIG Group. Today, I'm going to show you how to perform a good receipt on TBO4 based on purchase order, based on a two-step put-away configuration. We create a purchase order into SAP Business One. We added items that are quantity-based, batch managed, and serial managed. We're gonna go into TBO4, go to the good receipt menu, receiving, and we can see show all or filter for your supplier or doc number. In this case, I'm going to type Acme, which is our supplier of the purchase order. This is going to be filtered. And I can see here my purchase order number 1265. Here the line of my purchase order. At this stage I can scan the barcode on top right. I can create a new pallet and associate this received quantity to a specific pallet. I can print the label of the pallet or reprint the label of the item. For the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to receive the quantity of each item. Add quantity of 2 for item A01. Item A004 is gonna receive a quantity of 4. Next to the next line, the system will recognize that BT001 is a batch tracked item, so I'm gonna add my batch 01 quantity of 10. I can add an expiration date. I can also add user-defined field at this stage on the batch level or item level, item line level. On the next to the next line, here's the serial manage item, and is asking me for a specific serial number. As with the second serial number. Okay. Now that the document is complete, these are my original purchase order quantity. Purchase quantity is in case I have a reserve invoice in the middle. It will tell me what reserve invoice quantity is, and this is the received quantity that I just received. At this point, I can proceed with my PutAway. Before we go to the PutAway function, I will also mention that we can also create good receipt based on reserve invoice. And we also handle RMA and create the return based on that. In this configuration, we did configure a two-step PutAway receiving. So I'm gonna go to my PutAway function and my completed good receipt will appear here. I can scan the document, I can drill down, and at this stage is gonna by default receive everything in my system bin location. So I do wanna put away anything in my system bin, but I also want to perform the put away on this specific item to a specific bin. So I'm going to delete the automatic put away, and I'm going to override my bin location. I can see a list of suggested bin location for this item. I can select my preferred bin location, or I can simply scan the bin location that I'm going for. I'm gonna put the quantity of 4. At this point, I have overridden the bin location, and I can just hit complete. This will perform a good receipt PO into SAP Business One. So going back to SAP Business One, this was my purchase order. After a brief delay, we can see that the purchase order is closed and a good receipt has been created. The good receipt will have also, if we go batch number transaction report, I can see what are the batch that we had, what are the serial numbers that we created, and also we can see what are the specific bin location that we did allocated on the two-step put away. Here's my bin location I did override for 8Z04. And this is it for today. Thank you for your time. See you on the next video.